Hello students, good morning. I am Mitali, your social science teacher, and we are doing our chapter number 9, which is prairies. I hope you have read the topic which we have done yesterday. Yes, yesterday we have discussed what are the grasslands, then we have discussed the location of the grasslands, and then we have discussed the climate of the prairies. Yes, this is the topics which we have done yesterday, and today what we are going to do, today we are going to discuss the next two topic, which is vegetation and wildlife. So और मे बी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो. छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स हैं, बहुत इजी टॉपिक्स हैं. इवन चैप्टर इतना छोटा सा है, खत्म होने वाला है. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द वेजिटेशन, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट in the grasslands, as the name even clarifies itself, in the grasslands that place only has the grasses, no trees. जब तक trees नहीं होंगे तो vegetation कैसे होगी? Everything grows on trees only ना. तो there is only wild grass. Wild grass means ये जो पार्क में जो घास लगी होती है, that is called wild grass. So do you think wild grass can give us anything? Anything? No. So let's read the vegetation now. The climate and the soil. जो climate है और जो soil है of the prairies are suitable for the growth of grasses. That means the climate and the soil both are suitable only for the growth of grass. Very few trees grow on the prairies. Prairies में बहुत कम trees लगते हैं. Almost no equivalent to no that there are no trees. Grasses grow in spring. जब spring season आता है, जब when it starts raining, जैसे हम पार्क में भी जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी घास लंबी लंबी हो जाती है ना. So just like same in the spring season the grass grow there, and by autumn क्या होता है? It's a season, पतझड़ का season जो हमारे यहाँ पर आता है, जब when trees started leaving their leaves, जब पेड़ों के पत्ते गिरने लग जाते हैं. So just like that, by autumn they turn to hay. Hay means you can underline and you can write जो dry grass, you can write dry grass. और हिंदी में मैं आपको बताऊं तो वो जो animals खाते हैं ना, वो भूसा जिसको बोलते हैं, that is hay. So what it is saying that this grass grows in the spring season and in autumn it turns into hay. So this was the topic vegetation. There's nothing in the vegetation. Moving on to the next topic, which is wildlife, like what all animals we can find in the prairies or in the grasslands. So the animals found in the prairies have adapted themselves to the climate. ऐसे animals, those who have adapted themselves or those who have adjusted to the climate of the prairies. So we have some animals, see, coyote, beggar, fox and prairie dog. Four names are there and 4 pictures are given. That's why I'm not showing. Yeah, these are the few of the animals that you can find in this region. Some common birds are also there, which is eagle, golden eagle. Eagle we know. Hawk, falcon and quail. So these all the birds that we can find there. Bisons, which widely seen in the prairies. However, they are now in the extinction. Bison, see, you can see here in this picture, this is a bison. Earlier bisons are in a large quantity and they were seen there. But now what is happening? They are in the danger of extinction. What does it mean they are in the danger of extinction? Danger to everyone know. What does extinction mean? Extinction means विलुप्त होना. विलुप्त होना means खत्म होने वाले हैं. Or in the key terms I'm reading, a state in which a plant or animal stop existing. जब वो exist होना बंद हो जाए, यानी कि almost खत्म हो जाए. So these are few of the animals and birds that you can find there in the prairies. You need to underline and also you need to learn कि हमारे को वहाँ पर कौन कौन से animals और birds मिलते हैं. Okay. Moving on to natural resource. So what natural resource we can find in prairies? Petroleum, natural gas and lignite coal are mined in the large quantities in the prairies. Mined means mining करना. Mining करना मैं already समझा चुकी हूँ ना बेटे आपको. Mining means कोई चीज dig करके earth surface से के नीचे से निकालना. So mine क्या क्या चीजें वहाँ पर mining हो रही हैं? Petroleum, Yeah, natural gas and coal are mined there. In the recent years, oil refineries we already know क्या होता है, जहाँ पर ऑयल को रिफाइन किया जाता है और where from the raw petroleum the petroleum products are extracted means उनको अलग अलग किया जाता है. The prairies are also known for their wind powers. यहाँ पर क्या है, ग्रास है ना. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, one special thing is that यहाँ पर हवा बहुत चलती है, wind. So it is also known for wind power. Wind power means सबको पता है wind energy, as we have studied also. So wind energy is fine there. The region contributes to wind power in the United States of America. That means there's so much, they are producing electricity so much that even they are sending the electricity to USA or United States of America. So today we have covered our 3 topics from the chapter prairies. One was vegetation, then the wildlife, and then the natural resources. Please beta, as your exams are coming very close, abhi ye chapter complete karna hai, then we have to do maps also. So एग्जाम्स आर ऑन हेड, प्लीज प्रिपेयर थॉरली. अब वो टाइम नहीं बचा है व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग कि चलो मम्मा कल लर्न कर लेंगे या बाद में लर्न कर लेंगे. नो, दैट टाइम इज गॉन नाउ यू हैव 10-20 days फॉर योर स्टडीज. सो प्लीज स्टडी ऑनेस्टली, स्टडी फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड फॉर योर गुड मार्क्स ऑल्सो. ओके, बाय.